I'm just gonna let this one. mention the after party. Just the after, we call it. In LA, we call it just the kick back after hours. The kick back after hours. In Los Angeles are the after parties that we do. The after parties where we play house music till 7 in the morning, 8 in the morning, till noon. People come to the after parties there. They go till 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock Sunday morning. The after party. We play house music till 7 in the morning, 8 in the morning, till